everyone has talent. And their talent is what will take you to the greater altitude. You know that the greater the altitude, the greater you are. So your talent tells you who you are, how you can motivate people through your talent. You can use your talent to do different things. You can use your talent to create a very better society, because it was through people's talent that we could have those buildings around here. People put into drawing the plan of the buildings. They have talent. But the artists that draw people, that try to create real and imaginary things into drawing, sculpture, and other things. They have someone's talent. And that talent to take them to different places because they actualize it.
You know, in the aspect of football, we have people that are talented in that aspect. We have Vincent Again, we have Ronaldo Christian, we have Nicole, a lot more. You know, Vincent Again was a super outstanding goalkeeper. He was that very talented. We wouldn't know that he was in that aspect.
It's because of talent that made our distinguished Senator Gosselin Fabio build their Ibo International Stadium, which is helping the talented footballers of Province State to stand out. And that talent, that love for talent really boosted the Province State among the states in Nigeria. If you can see that people outside came to play football there in our Province International Stadium. If he did not have the love for talent, he wouldn't have built that, and that would have rendered a Province State useless. But because of that, this love for talent, you can see that our province have one of the best stadiums in Nigeria. Thank you.
Thank you very much. No, I'm the case of John Singer. A lot of people are just like, you know the rest, alright? But people don't really believe the rest to be your talent. But those people, you're making a huge amount of money from what you're doing, adopt your talent, you're being exposed. Those people there, it's a scale as a worldwide entertainment, and they adopt their talent. You're showcasing your